guys are doing good, and if not, then I hope that you are doing, or I hope that, no, I don't hope, you might be doing great if you're not doing good, right? So as I told you, I'll be here with my next video. I'll be unboxing today this Lenova A5. I told this to you in my previous video. You know why I thought of unboxing this Lenova A5 mobile phone? Because if you're looking for something that is really cheap, or something that has a good, most people think, like, if you're looking for something with a cheap amount, like with a amount that is worth to good, so this Lenova A5 is a good option if you're looking for something like valuable and worth the money. In this price, if you look for something in a normal price or in an average price, then this mobile phone is worth that price. It is 32 GB storage, like almost, let me show you where it is. Yeah, here, color black, almost 32 GB. Date, you can see it's 16/5/2019, 2 years warranty, made in China. So let's see what's written in here. Certain features, services, and applications are network dependent and may not be available in all areas, blah 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 blah. And what it says here, designed and manufactured by this. So nothing written. Let's start unboxing. It's too hard to hold the camera in one hand and unbox it with the other. Here we go with the Lenova A5. This. Damn, it's so damn hard. Wait, let me put it on the side. Then put it on the side. Look how hard the seal is. I'll reopen it this one. 3. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. And that's something really very good if we are looking for a handy type of mobile phones with 13 megapixel rear camera and a fingerprint reader. You will be shocked after hearing about these specs, and then when you will get to know its price. Oh, sorry, viewers. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we will see it later as I did in my previous unboxing. I hope you had watched that video. First, let's see what's inside. I don't know why, but it looks so pretty to me. Excited to see. I've heard about it, but let's see. This is the quick start book. We have this. When this product is turned on for the first time, it's connected to the internet mobile station. Serial number of this product together. This is the book. Oh wow, it has a look at the earphones. If you're looking for something convenient with a price, the best thing about this is many people think of it that if the price is low, then the product is definitely not going to be worth the price, or it's going to be very bad. But if you're thinking of saving a certain pounds or certain units, as I saw recently in the Guardians of the Galaxy, then this is worth it. Okay, here it's the charging cable. This must be C-type. Let's confirm. Yes, this is C-type charging cable, the fastest of all. Here the pin, the 3-pin adapter, this, and rest box is empty. Check out the mobile phone. we'll pack this later. Let's open, let's take this out. I'm so excited to see how it is. 5.45, I think this 5.45 inch display is a really good display. Yes, there we have the screen protector, here the camera, iris scanner, this is the speaker, 4000 battery, 5.4 inch the display. This display is really good, and this mobile phone is very handy. It's small, it's convenient to use whenever. Most of the time, as per my experience, I don't know why, but mobile phone sizes are getting bigger and bigger every year. Like each year, whenever a new mobile phone is launched, it's definitely bigger than the previous one. And I don't know, mobile phone is actually the device we hold in hands. It has to be small. So 5.45 inch display is good one. Battery is okay. 30 megapixel rear camera. Yeah, 8 megapixel front camera, but still, it can be compromised. When you will get to know about the price, it's definitely worth it. It's definitely going to be worth it. You will see. Fingerprint reader is there. This is the front camera, that is 8 megapixel iris scanner. The speakers. This is the earphone jack, power button, volume button. It has C-type charging cable. What's on the other side? There is no button on this side. Just a nano SIM card slot. Oops, can you see that? Let me focus. It has got this nano SIM card slot. Can you see that? Pretty nice in view. Let's turn it on. We've turned it on. Can you see that? Lenova. Till then, it has got speaker. Yes, this is the fingerprint reader, and it's really good. This is the back camera and a flashlight. This is black in color. It was launched on 16th May 2019. I think in China, maybe hide their start version settings. You just wait a moment. We will start here soon. With 32 GB storage. It has a nice slim body. Look, nice slim body. Also, it reflects. It shines on the opposite from the other side. It has 3 GB RAM with 32 GB storage. It's black in color. You can see the black finish. It's available in other colors like gold or rose gold. I think rose gold would be better. Next time I'll order the rose gold. Lenova. The most surprising fact about this mobile phone is that you know what, this phone costs only 120 euros. Can you believe that? Look, it has got a really nice slim body, the perfect black finish from the back side of the phone, no button on this side, just a nano SIM card, 3.5mm earphones jack, and in Saudi Reals I got it from Jari, like almost 400 Saudi Reals. It's not much. I found here in this country with the 400 Saudi Reals almost. Yes, not much. 120 euros. With this specs, it's really good. In this range, if you search about a phone, then at these times, like at the current moment in 2019, with this price, I would regard this as the best mobile phone, sorry. I don't know, at the packaging, you can see, let's keep it on the side. Here it's written, the date is, here the date is 16th of May 2019 with 2 years warranty, but I have seen it, like I knew about it that it's launched in June 2018. I don't know what is this date about. Like, I'm not sure, might be something else or no idea about it. But let's find out what else is written on that box. Oops, I didn't find anything else. So this was a small review about a mobile phone. I regard this as the best phone with the cheapest price of this time. Like at this moment, the best mobile phone, not exactly the best mobile phone, but in this price, if you're looking to buy something worth do good, then this is a good option till August. Okay, so this was just a short video. I thought I should share with you all. This is my this is my second unboxing video. I have recently unboxed my Huawei MediaPad 5M5 Lite, and I got a really good response from all of you. I hope you will love this video about this soon. Most probably my next video is going to be based on the nail art. You can see here the nail art. planning to make videos on my medical subjects. As you all know, I'm a medical student, so I'll be making a video about one of my subject. I'll start making like which subject I should choose. Let me know in the comments below, or as it's comfortable for you. I'm thinking about pathology, and from like within a day or two I'll start making it for the stats. I'll start with the statistics because it's at the starting point it's hard to start with the tough subject and then later on edit the videos and speak about it, talk about it, explain the topic. So I'll start with the easiest and favorite subject of mine, that is statistics, descriptive statistics first, the very first part, and then slowly I'll proceed on the next things. Oops, seems like I have talked a lot today, so goodbye, take care, see you. Video is going to be based on this thing. Yes, exactly, the all about nail art, everything about the nail art. So stay tuned and let me know which color you love the most. Okay, goodbye.